Hey theme lovers, welcome back to another new HyperOS 3 customization. This time it's a clean car setup with light minimal icons and a matte premium look. Let's start with the lock screen. Here the layout features a big centered clock widget at the top along with the battery and weather widgets. The best part is that you can resize the clock according to your wallpaper. And you can also enable the 3D effect to make it look more realistic. Talking about the home screen layout, it has a similar big centered clock widget at the top which comes with a slight liquid glass effect. The icons have a light minimal matte design which not only looks clean but also makes the setup feel more premium. The control center comes with a clean matte layout with slight liquid glass toggles and bold blue icons that makes it feel better than the stock version. So these were the features of this customized theme. Now let's see how to customize it on your Xiaomi, Redmi or POCO device. First, go to the pin comment and download the themes from the given link. Then open the theme store. And first select the theme Alpha and apply it as the lock screen. After applying it, tap on the customize icon and enable the custom wallpaper option. Then tap on the select wallpaper option and choose your lock screen wallpaper. Next are the icons. For that, select the theme Hello and apply it as an icon. Now for the control center, go to the status bar and apply the theme Wave UI. Then apply the same theme as System. Last but not least is the home screen widget. For that, select the theme Clean Slate and apply it to the home screen. And with this, the elements of today's HyperOS 3 customized theme have been successfully applied. By the way, which elements do you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this HyperOS 3 customized theme. If yes, do like the video and don't forget to subscribe to Mobile Funda for upcoming HyperOS customizations. See you in the next video. Till then, keep customizing.